Hi, hello guys. See, this year, if you are still sending recruiters a boring PDF resume in 2026, you are stressing yourself. See, today I'm going to be showing you how to build a clean, no code, as in it doesn't require any coding, a landing page on card.co in less than 15 minutes. Whether you are into HR, you are into logistics, you are into data analysis, whatsoever industry you belong, this will make you look like a tech pro. And who knows, you can even start doing it for people and money. So let's get let's get into this. So what you do is you go to your google.com, Google website, or whatever web browser you're using, and you're going to type card.co, card.co. When it opens, please log into card.co. Waiting for it to log in. Good. So this is where you're going to be starting from. So you can decide to start, choose a starting point and start from scratch. But I love using templates. So when you scroll down, you're going to see a whole lot of templates to choose from. The one I created for myself was, this, and I created one for my sister. And please make sure that you don't use all these templates that over that will have your face as the background. We don't want our face to be the attention. What we want here is to show our work, right? So I'm going to select this one. You can select whatever one you use, but I'm going to select that one. And okay, got it. So first of all, I'm going to attach my profile picture. So I'll click on this. Then you see where you have upload. Click on upload. And while we wait for the picture, you are going to upload. So you get a picture. I already have my picture here that I'm going to upload. And then you're going to drag this to the face. What we want is a portrait picture. For a professional website like this, we just need the face. Please, I will advise you to use a portrait where at least that you are smiling. This is just for demonstration purpose, but we don't need shadow in this. I don't need shadow, so I make this done. Then I move over to the name here. When you click on it, it will appear here. So I'm going to clean what I have here. And I'm going to put something fun, something that makes me look approachable. Hi, um, hi, Faith. I'm Faith Michaels. This is the name of the person that I'm creating this for. If you know this whole process is not going to be good for you, or you feel like, oh, you know what, Chidima, I don't think I can go through this. I want you to help me create this. You can hop onto my email address. I'm going to drop it here. That's my email address. I am sodima@gmail.com, and you can send me your details and I'll create one for you, of course, with a fee. So I'm going to use the heading one. If you want to change the color, you can come here and change the color, but I'm going to leave mine on white. Then the font, I use the Inter font. You increase the size to make it bolder here, right? So I think I like it this way. And then you click done. Then the next thing we're going to be clicking on is this sub headline. This is where you're going to be putting what you do, who you are. Are you a data analyst? Are you a trade logistics person? Are you an accountant, a chartered accountant? So for this person that's my client, she is a digital marketer and a growth specialist. There are some of you that have more than one, right, skills. Good. This is how I want it to do. Digital marketing and growth strategy. I'll come over here. I want to make it bold, or probably I want to make it stand out. In case, increase the size a bit. Good. Digital marketer and growth specialist. and then we're going to type done. Awesome. This is coming together. You can see this is so simple. Then I'll come over here. This is where you're going to have your buttons. So this is where you're going to be putting the buttons that's going to redirect people to your portfolio or your resume. So for this, when you click on this first one, you see the label. This is another language. So for this first one, I'm going to put view my portfolio. View my portfolio, and then I'm going to come down here, and the icon I'm going to use is I want to use a folder icon, so that it will look like, yeah, you are looking at a folder. Then this way, that is the URL. We are going to add a URL that when whoever it is that clicks on our portfolio will redirect that person to where all our projects are being housed. So for now, we put nothing here. And the color, which color do you want it to show when you hover on it? So I'm going to put my 03690. You can use the color you want, depending, on whatever you want to use. 03690. Good. And then we want to add another button that will, in case you have more things you want to show. So for this second one, I'm going to put, you can put anything. You can put view my price list. You want to go straight to the point. You can put view my whatever it is. So but for me, I want my whoever I direct from my LinkedIn should be able to download my resume in case they want, maybe all these HR people, they want to send it to company and they feel like, oh, this is the right fit, right? I'm going to attach my um, resume here. The icon I'm going to choose for this will be a download button. You can decide to choose, write whatever you want, depending on what services you offer. So people can put here, oh, view my designs. All right. Some people can be like, oh, contact me here in case they don't want to, in case they have a different contact, whatever. So it can be whatever you want there. And for the URL, I'm going to remove this for now. We are going to work on it in the second video. And for the hover button, I'm going to have to type 03690 for uniformity, and then click on done. I don't like this color, yeah. So the whole of this place is called a container, right? So you're going to click here where there is line. When this green line appears around this rectangle, this first rectangle, and I'm going to change the color. This alignment, yeah, this alignment is for changing. Okay, you want everything to appear on the left, it's going to appear on the left. You want everything to be on the right, it's going to appear. You can see everything is now on the right while the picture is here. If you want it to appear in the center, everything will be here in the center. You want it to be on the left, you see everything is on the left. So depending on how you want, I love going for the center look. The background, we don't want, you can use an image as the background, you can use the color. I'm going for a gradient look. And this blue color, I don't like this blue. Again, like I said, it depends on what you want. Awesome. I like something like this. Make it lighter. No, this green is too dark. It's making it look like green leaves. I think I prefer this green. Okay. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. Awesome, 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 awesome. Awesome. Okay, this is okay for me. Like I said, just play with the colors and do. So if you want a particular kind of pattern in yours, right? You can, just play around with whatever it is. Taking away the okay, something like this, bubbles. I think I'll just go for the bubbles, and then you can click on done. Done. I think I want these buttons to be on the same line. Yeah, I want them to be on the same line. So I think I'll have to their width. Uh-oh. Uh-huh. Awesome. Good. No. Okay. Okay. And their height, you can make it a little bit bigger if that is what you want. Download my resume. I think the icon size as well can be increased. Corner rounding, thickness, size of okay, done. So you see that when we hover over it, the color changes. The color changes. So moving on, we go to the about section. We go to the about section, and this is where you get to tell us what you do and who you work for, and what you promise to do for them. That is the formula. That is the formula. So I'm going to do, remember, I'm trying to make this profile as fun, as relatable, and as formal at the same time it can be. So I said, let's be honest, right? Likes, I already had this written down. Likes don't pay bills. This is what she wanted me to write for her. I came up with this, so if you need help coming up with your own, you can reach out to me. We have a formula which we use in coming up with these things. So I help founders and ambitious startups move from chasing vanity clicks, vanity clicks, right? And from vanity clicks to stay to stacking, rather, to stacking real revenue, right? Says we aren't, rather, let me put this. If it doesn't, if it doesn't scale the business, we aren't doing it. Nice. So I don't like the color this is giving me. So I'll come here and change this to black. Yeah, I want it to change to black. And the black is not popping. So I'll come over here and this, drag this, okay, so that our black can pop. Our black can pop, yes, and can reduce the size of this to be 0 point, okay, and line spacing, I think the line spacing is too much, right? Paragraph spacing is okay. The width, okay, this is not having any effects. Margins, alignment, again, good. Center, alignment to the left. I think the center alignment is okay. Okay, I just need to, okay, the paragraph spacing is okay. Letter spacing is okay. The size of the write-up, oof, too much. This is okay. Ah, look at what I wrote. Let's be honest. Let's be honest, right? Yeah, I think this is okay. Good. So we'll go on and type and click done. Then for this about, you can write something like this about is too generic. You can do something like what I do exactly. You can also put something like meet me, uh about me, who is Faith, who is so write your name. And I think I would like to change the color as well to 036,900 as well. 036,900. Let me see. So you use the color that you feel is okay. Good. 036,900. The size. Wow, what I do exactly is too much. And then you click done. Awesome, awesome. Then this last part, get in touch. I think this surrounding place as well, the whole page needs, a different color, not a different color that, aligns. Default, what kind of style is it? Is it a box? You want it to be a box? Do you want it to be a wide box? Do you want it to be a tall box? So I think it should just be default. You can do yours the way you want. Position, where do you want to position it? In the center, top left, like this, top right. You want it to be top left. Just play with it and see what you want. Bottom right, right. I usually like mine being in the center. Just take all the, attention. And then the width, do you want it, wider like this? Do you want it to, have the whole page? Maybe somebody comes to your page, wow, you just see it, it is, everywhere, right? I think I like it this way so that the about section gets to be seen properly. Um, content. Content is still okay, spacing is okay, size, and then done, right? Yeah, I wanted to change the color. How come I'm not seeing color here? Okay, I think it's the background. So I can come here and click on background, not the page, the background. Good. Click outside the page and click on background and you see gradient. You can choose the type of color you want, maybe linear, radical, whatever. So you see for now it is white. I can decide to go with my 036,900, right? 036,900 green, right? And make it like this, 29%, 48%, and then, with a bit of this, uh, uh, not really. Okay, I would have loved this upper part to be, well, I'd have loved this upper part to be, you know, let's see what it looks like this way. Nah, this is the primary color. I wanted green to be the basic color. So I'm going to choose the background again. I'm going to choose this color. Maybe I'll make here the main color 036,900. Ah, this is too greenish. This is too greenish. Radical, linear, conic. Conic. Okay, I love this conic. Maybe this will be the red. Maybe this will be the red. I wanted here to be the green. Or we can reverse it. mm, radial, linear. Mm. Okay, so you design it whatever way you want to design yours. And then we move over to this space, and then I don't want the text message icon to show. So this is email, this is phone, this is text. I don't want the text message, I just want phone number and email. So when I click on text message, I go down and then you see the delete button here. Please delete. Yes, and then we have the email and the phone, the email and the phone. And I'm going to click on email and I'm going to put the email. The email icon is already there, and I'm going to put the email address. That is Fitzmichaels, Fitzmichaels 9 at gmail.com. And then the color, when I hover over it, should be 0369, and I'm going to go done. So this is, if you've gotten to this point, then you have done amazingly well. When you want to save, in the second video, I'm going to show you how to save this and then publish it to your, publish it and make it live, right? If you watched up to this point, thank you so much. You are definitely on your way to becoming a professional, verified professional that, and I can't wait to see you do great and amazing things. Bye. See you.